What's up, guys? John here with my good friend and the official Picasso of this new age generation, Jason Skeldon.
What's up, baby?
How you doing, bro?
Hi.
Awesome to see you today.
So you bought the sidekick?
Of course, she never goes anywhere without me, and I don't go anywhere without her. So Jason's here, obviously a good friend of mine. You know, we're hitting our 40s, and Jason wants to feel his best.
Damn, bro, you do me like that? I'm 39. I'm gonna be 39 for a long time.
Oh.
No, I'm 42.
See, and I'm 44. There's nothing wrong with saying we're in our 40s, because you know what? We look better than some guys in their 20s.
Yeah, I think it's very important. Like, I have a lot of people, like, I've thought of this for a long time. Like, if you have people come up to you and they say you look like older than what you are.
Right.
Mine's kind of like, people tell me they think I'm like 35. For sure. I'm like, all right, cool.
Yeah, dude.
But like when I was 35, I think they told me I looked like I was 30, you know, so.
So you're reversing the aging gap here, right? And that's what it's all about.
Everyone that's watching this is like, nah, dog, you're like 50.
No way, no way. This guy's been around, so everybody might think he might be older than what he is, but you know what? He obviously looks younger, and he takes care of himself. Yep. It's about the Titan therapy, it's about blood work, but it's also about being active, eating correctly. This is the product of what a good artist should be like. Physically strong and capable, right? And creatively strong and capable.
Yeah, I've been with Titan for like 7 years now. When I originally came in, like I just was tired all the time, like no energy. And me and John were homies, but I didn't really believe in like TRT and stuff at the time. And John's like, just try it, see how you know, let's see your blood work. My blood work came back like super low. And then I got on TRT and I feel amazing now, so.
I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah,
appreciate you giving me the trust, and I'm glad we can help.
But today I'm actually here because I want to get some peptides.
Ooh.
So now I want to get the brain firing different.
Some NAD maybe, and some other good things.
What was the visceral fat one?
Testosterone.
Okay. So we got a little bit here, you know, we can get rid of, so.
Raises natural growth hormones and attacks visceral belly fat. Two great things testosterone does that no other drugs do, so.
I'm excited for that.
All right, well, let's get this blood work. We're gonna give him some blood work right now, make sure he's good, tip top, everything's optimized, and then get him hooked up with these peptides and some other good therapies that we got. And you guys can get help too, nationwide. Just call or text us 727-389-3220.
Love it here at Titan. Didn't even really feel that. And now that I know for the next at least 6 months, I'm gonna be taken care of, so.